And see, my problem is I actually do like it just a little bit ghetto. I don't mean like gun ghetto, like violence ghetto, but I do like there to be like a little bit of tension. Like I want you to get on the couch and cut up, but get down right before the owner put us out. You know what I'm saying? I actually do like it to be a little too loud to where I can't hear myself, and now we all talking over each other. I actually do like to hear a little bit of mispronunciation of words here and there, and nobody stops to correct you. Like I actually do like for the conversation just at random to be a family search. Like, who's your people? I got people down there. What's their last name? Where they from? I actually do like. I don't know, y'all. Just the thought of knowing that at any given moment anybody in here could get active just makes me feel a little bit safer.